Okay, I got my 2013 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to be showing you how to replace this brake light here over on the driver's side. Okay, once inside the trunk here, we've got this little cover and it just pops right off real easy. And then we can get in here. This is the tail light, the bulb in question. Now, I'll forewarn you, these are kind of a tight fit, I guess you could say. It's real tricky, but all you do is you turn it like a quarter of a turn. Just turn it a little bit right there. It's not going to turn any farther. And you have to wiggle this out of here because it's a really snug fit. And it's equally as fun to put back as well. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to turn the bulb kind of the same way, just like a quarter of a turn. That little bit. It slides right up and out of there. You'll note, if you look in here, see this little bump is lower than the other one. So when you go in here, slide it into this, one slot, let me zoom in here. So one is a little bit higher than the other ones. This one over here is lower. So this is only going to go one way. So if you push it in there, you turn it that little bit, it should lock. So we're going to go ahead and get us a new bulb here. Okay, so this is the bulb you're going to be using. It's a 2357, and we're going to go ahead and get a new one we'll place in here. Okay, so we got our new bulb, and just like I was showing you, we're going to make sure that the bump that's low is going to correspond with the slot that's lower. Push it in there, just give it a little twist, and it's locked into place. And then we're going to go ahead and go back in here. Now this is only going to go one way as well. Notice this slot right here that's solid. This slot right here is what I'd call solid. These here, you can slide your fingernail underneath them. And then this one over here. But this one right here in the middle is solid. That one's going to go down. It's going to go straight down into the big slot that's right here on the bottom. So that's where you're going to place that solid slot. So make sure, and you have to, it's like I said, it's a tight fit, and you have to get those side slots lined up as well. And you may have to mess with it a minute and rock it around. And also, I got a little pick tool. You could use a screwdriver. What I did before was like pulled up on one side just a little bit, and I was able to get a little bit of leverage. But once you get it just right, it should snap all the way down flush here. Okay, so it helps when you get it pushed down there close, you kind of lift up on that bottom a little bit, and it kind of will fall into place. You're going to have to work with it a minute. It doesn't just go easily, at least it doesn't on mine. Once you get it down flush, you turn it that quarter turn, and it locks right in, but it should be nice and flush all the way around. Okay, so once we got that back in there, we just slip these little pieces back up in place, get it going in the right direction. Anyway, it just slides right back into the little slots it was in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check it out here, and they are working. Alright, so that's going to do it on this video on replacing this brake light. Very easy job. You can probably do this within about 5 minutes. It's really easy to get to, unlike some that you have to take the tail lights out on. At least they've got an access panel here that makes this real simple. But anyways, if you've found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment, please do so. As always, I invite you to subscribe, and thank you for watching.